35G just to give me a little extra confidence on that one, even though I probably could have just pushed it over. Make sure everything's settled down. These trees are still shaking. Got clipped a little bit by some of the branches. Huge branches on these fir trees.
That's a good tree.
Looky. This one actually wasn't too bad for branches. Like
That one pretty good.
relatively few branches on the bottom. Mainly just the big ones reaching up top.